May I please have the pleasure of inviting Dr. Kundan Baswaraj, please.
It is an honor and pleasure of myself to stand before you and congratulate these kids for the international competition. So first of all, I say congratulations to Ani Madam and Kumasa for conducting such a wonderful event in this Karnataka to make Karnataka at the international map. My request to the parents that there were the time when the Krita Yuga was there, the importance was given to the growing of the mind or nurturing of the mind. Then when it has come to the Treta Yuga, it has shifted to the enrichment and nurturing of the heart. Emotionals and ethics were the model for the parents. And when it has come to the Dwapara Yuga, the value had shifted to the hands and powers. Archery, Gadayuddha, these were the model for the kids, and parents used to send their kids for the what we can call the playground to nurture them to become viable to the society. Now in the Kali Yuga, what is the model for we people? Only the money. So we are spoiling the society. The parents who have come over here and the parents who are inculcating such a wonderful habit, I congratulate those parents to nurture such a kind of valuable ethics and values to our society to make younger generation as strong enough. Abraham Lincoln says that if you want to plan for a year, you plant a tree. If you plan for 10 years, you construct a railway project. If you plan for 100 years, you do best education in your country. The country foundation will be always stronger one to make America the stronger country. That was his Abraham Lincoln vision. Our Indians, everybody's vision is that it is our responsibility, and more than that, our kids are, their face you see the glorifying face, and they are the real future of our nation. I once again congratulate to the kids, those who will having the crown today, and the organizers for giving me such an opportunity.
We're good for the action. Category 1 and Category 2 is over. We've got our guests who have spread their wisdom as well. The kids are ready. We go on to the business end of the tournament, as I call it, because Category 3 and 4, the competition gets tougher, and I'm sure the kids are also ready for the level of toughness. We are ready with the words, and without much of an ado, may I please call upon our first contestant from Category 3, please.
My name is Tanish. I study at Oak Ridge International School in 6th standard.
All right, Tanish, you ready for this? Rapid fire.
Yes, sir.
Fast and furious it's going to be, and I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun playing this one. Without much of an ado, can we have a timer up? Tanishk, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, your rapid fire round. Your first word, campaign.
Campaign.
That's right. Assassin.
Assasin.
That's wrong. Matriarchy.
Matriarchy.
I can't give it to you. Linguistic.
Linguistic.
That's right. Parallel.
Parallel.
That's right. Reprieve.
Reprieve.
Eloquent.
Can you please repeat the word?
Eloquent.
Eloquent.
That's right. Racket.
Racket.
That's wrong. Incision.
Incision.
That's right. Meritorious.
Meritorious.
That's right. Beneficiary.
Beneficiary.
I give it to you. That completes your 60 seconds. And you've got 7 right answers. Very, very well done, Tanish. Good luck to you. Thank you so much. All right, 7 right ones in this rapid fire round. Let's see if our contestant 2 stands up to this or surpasses it. Contestant 2, please.
My name is Chinmay. I study in Oak Ridge International School and I'm in 7th grade.
Okay, timer, please. Chinmay, your first word is pronunciation.
Pronounceniation.
That's wrong. Succession.
Succession.
That's wrong. Suffocate.
Suffocate.
That's right. Applaud.
Applaud.
That's right. Terracotta.
Terrocata.
That's wrong. Theater.
Theatre. SEATRE.
That's right. Session.
SESSION.
That's right. Grievous.
GREIVOUS.
That's wrong. Horoscope.
HOROSCOPE.
That's right. Architecture.
ARCHITECTURE.
That's right. Browse.
BROWSE.
That's right. Yatch.
YACHT.
That's right. That completes your 1 minute, my friend. Very well done. Well done, Chinmay. You fared well. You've got 8 right answers, and that's well done. Congratulations.